Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 63 of building the Batmobile Tumbler. In this issue, we're starting again, not the whole thing, just the other side of the ailerons and things. The past comes calling. Got time travel, probably. Oh, Batman. Has Batman ever met himself? That'd be quite cool. A Batman mashup thing. I know it happened with Superman in the Arrow universe. So quite cool if Batman did it. That's those. I have to watch some more Batgirl. There's a couple of seasons of Batgirl, weren't there? I've got them both. I think I just haven't watched them. Anyway, yes. So we're starting again, the same as we did last time. Nice and easy. They put in so many steps, but there's not really that much to it. You've got to fit the little vent and then fit the bit onto it, and then we're fitting that to the whole thing from last time to give us that. And then next time we're doing the same with the tricky big aileron to go on that side, and that's the end of this month's delivery. So I haven't got the little one to put on until next month. But let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this part built together, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, here we go. This is obviously from last time, and this time we've got much the same parts again as we had before. We've got to fit this there like that with two of these SM screws. Let's see about doing that. Two of those. That in the spares pile. Throw the screwdriver around, and then let's see, get that on there. That in there. That one on the other side. Get all these tightened up before it all gets assembled as well. But now I'm just getting it together for you. Get the screw on there the right way round. It's much easier to put in than trying to do it with the screw on there backwards. Line it up. There we go. That one is going down there. I think I missed. I did. The screw slips off there again. It really doesn't like that one. Try that again. There we go. There's that. I'll get that tightened up. That piece then goes on that side, just like the other one side did. Like that. And then we'll attach that to there with a couple more screws. Let me get this attached, tightened up, and we'll see about attaching it finally to the big bit. So that's that assembled together and tightened up. This then goes on there a bit like that. These are probably going to come off, or at least come loose, but there you go. It's got to go on there that way around, a bit like that. These two screws will hold that in place, just like we did on the other one not too long ago. Get that lined up. One in there, and one in there. So we've now got the full width of the top piece, and after tightening that up, that's what we're going to end up with. I like it. So join me next time for the last of this month's delivery, where we're going to do the big back bit on that side. So other than that, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.